sensitive subject. From the moment I heard Ralph say I had a tone, I knew that I'd be safe because I'd never be alone. An evil doctor shouldn't speak aloud about his feelings. My hurt and my pain don't make me to a villain. I don't Scott would look up to me, run the business of the family. Had an evil empire just like his dear old dad. Give him my love and the things I never had. Scott would think I was a cool guy. Return the love I have, make me want to cry, be evil. But how my feelings too. Change my life with Oprah and Maya Angelou. But Scott rejected me. Say la vie. Life is cruel, treats you unfairly. Even so, I thought there must be me. You can please me.
Got this packed really tight. Are you okay?
Yeah, I just feel a bit of a back cramp, that's all. Just keep packing it in.
I found explosives. Help me check them.
You're surrounded! Drop your weapons! Hands up! Move out! Ladies and gentlemen, in just a few moments, we're going to place a giant laser on the moon.